Hi friends, today we are going to learn a wonderful question in monotonic functions. We need to find the number of solutions of the equation 2 power x plus 3 power x plus 5 power x equal to 7 power x. So we need to find number of solutions of this equation where x belongs to R. Let's see what would be the approach. So the approach is that 2 power x plus 3 power x plus 5 power x equal to 7 power x. Let's divide the total equation with 7 power x. So 2 by 7 whole power x, 3 by 7 whole power x, 5 by 7 whole power x equal to 1. Let's call the total LHS as f of x and total RHS as g of x. Now our aim is to find out number of solutions of f of x equal to g of x. Now, let's focus on f of x. F of x is we want to learn or know what would be the nature of this function f of x. The nature of the function f of x can be obtained with the help of a derivative. Let's find out. We want to know whether it is increasing or decreasing. The derivative of this is 2 by 7 whole power x into ln of 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7 whole power x into ln of 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7 whole power x into ln 5 by 7. Now we know that ln of 2 by 7, ln of 3 by 7, ln of 5 by 7, since the values are 2 by 7 is less than 1, so ln of that is negative. So it is a negative, it is also negative, it is a negative, and 2 by 7 whole power x is positive, positive, positive. So as a whole, the whole value f dash of x is comes out to be negative. Since it is negative, that means f dash of x is negative for all x, means f is a decreasing function. And come to g of x. G of x is equal to 1 is a constant function. If you try to draw the graph of, and moreover, as limit extends to plus infinity, f of x will tend to 0, and limit extends to minus infinity, f of x will tend to infinity. So if we try to draw the graphs of both f of x and g of x, f is a decreasing function which is coming from minus infinity, and as extends to infinity it is approaching 0. At 0 the value is f of x is equal to 2 power x plus 2 by 7 whole power x, 3 by 7 whole power x, 5 by 7 whole power x. If you put x equal to 0, it is 3. Now the other function g of x. So we are trying to draw the graph of f of x as well as g of x. G of x is equal to 1. So it's a constant function which is a parallel to x-axis. Now the number of intersections of these two, we are getting only one value, that is some positive value of x. So therefore f of x equal to g of x equal to have only one real root. Thank you.